In this video, I want to show you how to reset iPhone camera settings. To reset your iPhone camera settings is very simple and very basic to do. The first thing you want to do, you want to go to your settings on your phone. So once you are in your settings, I want you to tap on General. So tap on General. Once you tap on General, it will take you to this page. So on this page, what we want to do is this. I want to scroll down to where we have transfer or reset iPhone. So you want to tap on that. So once you tap on transfer or reset iPhone, it will take you to this page. So what do you want to do here? If you look down here, the bottom here, you are going to see reset. I want you to tap on that reset. So once you tap on that reset, I want you to tap on reset all settings. I want you to tap on reset all settings. Once you tap on this reset all settings, it will reset all your settings, all the settings for your app. It will change them back to default. It will reset the camera settings back to default. Everything will be back to default. So guys, this is how you can actually reset your camera settings on iPhone. I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching.